Today, we're actually going to create a banner for TikTok. So let's go straight into here, Canva. Let's open it up on your computer. It might look a little different. We're going to go to custom size. We're going to tap that. And here we're going to pick 1920. Height is going to be 1080. Pixels, create new design. Okay, then we're going to swipe this away, and then you're going to see your banner. This is your blank banner. We're going to come to color. We're going to tap color. We're going to pick a black background. Then we're just going to do the check mark right there. Now, see it says text right here. You can scroll along, see this, but let's do text. Add text box. Now let's type in make money online. That's all I'm going to do. Make money online. Now, my thing is not working. You could actually scroll. Sorry, sometimes I try to do this so that you guys can see it better. 12 point. You can change your font size just like this. Okay. Or I'm going to check mark that. Or you can select it right there and see you can just pull it by the corner. Make it big. We want it big. Now, that's your banner. Okay, we're just doing a simple banner. And then we're going to come up here and download. We're going to come down to download. And then we're going to change this to JPG. Okay, download. We're going to do 2. We're going to save the image. And now we're going to go back to here and we're going to tap on the background. And I'm actually going to tap on it and turn it to white. Then I'm going to tap on the font and I'm going to turn that font to black. Okay? Then I'm going to tap the little check mark, come back up here, and then I'm going to tap on download. PNG we're going to leave and we're going to do transparent background this time. Download. Okay, save image. And then let's scroll out of there, open up our TikTok, and let's go to plus sign, live. Now, effects. And then we're going to scroll and we're going to see something called green screen. These are your green screens. You're going to want to grab the guy with the little hand up, okay? So let's select that. And then see in the left, if we tap this, it unmarks it and it bookmarks it. So you want to keep it solid to bookmark it so that you can always find it right here under the bookmarks. So as soon as we tap on it, it's unselected. Let's tap it again. And then see the plus sign and see all these up. My stylus is not working. You can... No, you should be able to scroll that, but you can't right this second. I know you can, but let's go up here. We can pick make money online. Let's tap it and we can make this bigger. We can make this smaller. We can drag it and let's change it. We're going to come back on the effects. We're going to tap it and then we're going to tap a different one. And you see, this is the PNG transparent background. Make it bigger. I like that. You can have a solid background or you can have it just like that. That is how you do a banner, okay? That's all there is to it. I hope that helps.